When it comes to doing research on Amazon products, it's very often helpful to put yourself in the hands of some people who have done some expert work on this, which is why I want to show you some tools and extensions that might be of help to you. So researching Amazon products can be made a lot easier by using specialist software. Now, whether you use these tools or not is entirely up to you and, of course, your budget. Some of them are free, and I'll show you which ones those are and indeed how you can find other free resources as well. An investment at this stage may pay dividends, but at the same time at this stage, maybe just opt for one or two of these solutions. I'm not an affiliate for any of these products, but I believe you should be made aware of their existence and you can then consider them for yourself. The first tool is AmzScout, and they have both a web app and a Chrome extension. You can find them at junglescout.com. That's the landing page for the web app. And as you can see, I use the AmzScout web extension, which is great for gathering competitive data on listings. It also works well when you're researching bestseller pages. It supports a number of markets, including the US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, India, Italy, Mexico, and Spain. So it covers most of the main markets you're likely to want to take a look at, unless, of course, you're in Japan. This is a closer look at the interface, so you can see some of the data that it picks up for you, and it's actually quite a useful tool. Primalway is another Chrome extension. Just go into the Chrome Web Store and search for Primalway. The whole purpose of this is that it strips out all prime listings and prices, which gives you a much better way of looking for products you might be able to compete with. And frankly, when you then don't need it, you just switch it off. It does come with a cost. Sixleaf offers a suite of products to Amazon sellers, which you may want to consider. I've managed to get them highlighted on the right-hand side here. It does go beyond product research, and as you get established and as your business grows, you might find that Sixleaf has some functionality you're going to find helpful, and you can find them at sixleaf.com. Keeper is a tool, and it's free with a premium version that enables you to track the price history of every Amazon product. This is also a Chrome extension. You see there's a theme coming up here. Some information is available for free, and there is a more comprehensive information data set which is available. I think it's about €15 at the moment as I speak. That, of course, may change in the future. You can find it at keeper.com. PriceBlink is another Chrome extension. It goes out and finds the lowest prices for a product when you're looking at an Amazon listing, and that can be helpful when you're looking at competing products. Just again, look for PriceBlink in the web store. AmzScout Pro is similar to the AmzScout extension. It gives you quite a lot of detailed information, which is useful. You can see that on the screen. It operates in a range of markets, and there is a free trial version which allows you to research 15 niches. So if you're getting started, this is probably a good extension to install and use it on the free version and see how much information you can get out of it before you consider whether you're going to pay for it or not. Now, I also think it's worth searching the web store for Amazon extensions and seeing what you can come up with. They're changing all the time. The web store never stands still. But if you look for things like product research, price alert extensions, that sort of thing, keyword, Amazon keyword software helps you to find the right keywords for your listings. You'll very possibly find the functionality you need through a free extension, so it's well worth doing the homework. So that's a look into how you can use software products and Chrome extensions to research Amazon products further in detail, often for free and right up to date.